So I made a video showing how to create your own custom page inside the website. As far as this one, we have the create menu, but I also want to show you something really cool about Elementor, that if you literally wanted to make a site within just seconds with everything that fit the needs that you needed for your site, you could literally go and do this just by using their pre-built template. So you already seen the about section page that we use for this design, but I'm going to show you some other things on top of the templates that we currently clicked on. So for example, I'm going to use the create page again. For this example, I'm going to go back to Edit with Elementor and click on that. Now let's say, for example, we had this entire thing deleted. Then I'm not going to do it for example purposes just because I already have this created. But what I could do is make another page for you, so we could do that too. Or I could just save some time and show you it on the bottom of this one, which essentially will showcase the same effect. So if I were to go here and click on add template, you can see and notice how there's entire websites that have literally the entire thing down here showcasing full-fledged websites with the necessary thing that you needed. So you can see a lot of stuff is pro because obviously it's much more customized, looks a lot more aesthetic, and probably would fit more needs for people if they were to look for more advanced websites. But for this sake, we're just gonna stick with the free versions and go up here. So actually, I think it would be easier if I just clicked on one right here, and let me just click on this one. I'm gonna showcase you the power of Elementor. If you literally wanted to make an entire website with just one click, and then obviously you had to go in and customize everything yourself, this is essentially how you could do it too as well. So I click insert here. Now let's pretend that this whole top section is gone. Like I could delete this entire thing, and I could delete this to see if I can delete this really here, and I have Command Z, it go back. So what I'm gonna do actually is, for this example, I'm gonna delete it really quickly, and then I'll Command Z back so that you can actually see what just happened. All right, so let me go ahead and delete this here and delete this here. So with just that one click on that template, we just created essentially a entire landing page. So instead of it being on the create tab, you could click on the home tab, edit with Elementor, or simply go back to your actual pages on the dashboard. So we go back to the dashboard, let me see. So we simply go back to our pages on the dashboard and just go back to home, just like we did earlier with the edit with Elementor. We go here, click edit, or you can just click on edit with Elementor, whichever is easier. And then literally just go in and edit that the same way we just did the create page. Just click edit with Elementor and it could create your actual home page that way too. But since we're on the create tab, I'm just gonna keep it for this example. So ideally, this would be a home page if you were creating this website, just for example purposes. And with just one click on that template, we just have this full thing right here. Everything created for you. You can just go here and look at all these beautiful designs. And then again, you can add additional stuff to it simply just by adding the plus here from scratch, or you could just add another block you would like. But this is literally how you can make a website in just seconds, and then all you need to do is go in and just edit this. So if I wanted to change this to say web, well actually let's see if I can web design made simple and get started. You can change literally anything you want here, just like we did previously. You want to change the text color here, you can do that there. And actually go ahead and let me change the background on this one to show you just how simple it is. So color here, and we can change that there. Like literal endless options you could do. Let me actually change this back to the previous color. And that's how simple it is to make something within seconds if your website fits the template they already have, at least on the free version. If you wanted to upgrade to the pro, then obviously you have much more leverage and customizations that make your life much easier. But again, that depends on your goals and what you're trying to do with your website. And you can see here, this is so simple and easy. And then you've wanted to, again, you can delete stuff, delete it here. You don't like this thing right here, delete that. And then it's perfect for any certain person who wants a quick and easy way to design it without having to deal with what block to put, or should I add this here. And essentially this is the fastest way, in my opinion, to create a website from scratch without having to have the hassle of thinking of what to design for this.